Hi everyone, Nick Clark here. Super excited to just roll out my mat alongside the trail and get a yoga practice in this evening. My hopes are that my videos inspire and motivate you to get outside and get some fresh air, and also to just get some movement in your life so that you take care of yourself. And that's the whole purpose of this. So take care of yourself and share these videos with your friends too. That would be cool. All right, sunshine peeking through. It's time for a little bit of a yoga practice. This evening we're going to focus on opening up your hips. Go ahead and come into downward facing dog. You take your hips nice and long behind you. Move one leg and then the other. You want to integrate here by pressing down with your hands and your feet and pulling in with your belly so that your hands, your core, and your feet are nice and strong. They're the foundation of your practice. And then come forward onto your fingertips with your shoulders over your hands. Bring your right knee to your behind your right wrist and come into half pigeon. Press your hands down and lift your chest up. Take a few breaths here. Plant your hands to your mat and press back to downward facing dog. Bend one leg and then the other leg. And then, if you can, come back up onto your fingertips. Rock your shoulders over your hands and come to half pigeon legs. Drop your left knee down. Maybe adjust your left foot forward a little bit. That feels good. Push your fingertips down and lift your chest up. And then plant your hands and step back to downward facing dog. And next hip stretch we're going to do is called lizard. So you're going to bring your bring your thumbs to touch at the top of your mat. Step your right foot to the outside of your right hand. First start with your back knee lifted and point your nose forward. Slowly as you breathe, inch deeper into your lunge. And now place your left knee down to your mat, nice and long behind your hip. You should start to feel your hips loosen up, and that's what you want. Once you start to feel that, slowly bring your forearms down to your mat. You don't have to, but if you have the ability to, do that. Continue to lift the front of your pelvis up toward your belly button and feel the stretch along the front side of your left quadricep. And then replant your hands. Come onto your fingertips and lift your chest up just a little bit. A little arch in your back. And then from here, press up and back to downward facing dog. Bend one leg and then the other leg. Perfect. And you'll set up for the other side now. Bring your thumbs to touch. Lean forward and step your left foot nice and long next to your left hand. Keep both of your hands firmly rooted and pull into your belly. From there, work your back heel forward and deep in your lunge. Be okay with just playing with sensation. Lunge into sensation and feel what it's like and stay there for a bit. Just be at play with it. And then slowly place your right knee down on your mat, way back behind where your hip is. Lift the front of your pelvis toward your belly button and pull your front ribs into center. And from here, bring your forearms down to your mat. Again, keep your hands active, your feet active, and your core active. And then replant your hands down. It's nice, huh? Yeah. Tuck your back set of toes. Press up and back to downward facing dog. Let go of any tension you have in your head. Again, push with your hands. Pull your belly in. Press your heels towards the back. Nice stretch. Okay. One more variation of these stretches this evening. Bring your thumbs to touch at the center of your mat. Step your right foot to the outside of your right hand. Lunge forward and drop your back knee down. Good. Now walk your hands back and come onto your fingertips. Bend your back leg. Reach back with your opposite hand and grab a hold of your ankle. Pull your front ribs in towards your center. Expand your chest and your upper back towards the sky. And just as slowly and controlled as you came in, release. Press back to downward dog. And we'll switch sides. Step your left foot forward, place your right knee down. Lean forward, take your opposite hand to your opposite ankle on the outside. Pull into your center and press down into your mat. That's it, good. And then release your back leg. Step your back foot forward and rise up to a stand. That's my session for this evening. Short and sweet. 3 great hip and quadricep stretches for you in this awesome video. Thanks for joining me, and remember to share this with your friends so we can inspire and motivate more people to get healthy. Peace out.